Trace Belle, founder and director of an animal rehab center in Independence, Iowa, told local KWWL News that she came up with the idea to use old bra closures with epoxy small zip ties to save turtles with injuries to their shells. The bra clasps are glued to opposite sides of the turtle shells, while the zip ties are used to fasten the crack in the shell, according to a Facebook post by the organization. This allows the turtle's cracked shell to heal. WBTV reports another nonprofit organization, Carolina Waterfowl Rescue, is using a similar method but with a wire instead of zip ties to fix cracked turtle shells. The bra clasps are removed once the turtle shells have healed, and the turtles are then released into the wild.